Namaste Kolkata, and I am here to explore the latest addition to the iconic structure of Kolkata, the Bisho Bangla Gate. This place has already become a favorite among tourists and locals, and the biggest attraction of the place is this hanging restaurant, which is on top from where you can enjoy the total view of the Kolkata. So today I'm going to take you all for a lunch with the view. So we will just take the lift and go up there, the hanging restaurant. So welcome to the Bisho Bangla. It's situated very close to the Kolkata airport, and this place has been a very beautiful gateway to the city. Here you can see the full view of Kolkata. There are so many another ways you can get an amazing picture here. There are so many pupils and also couples coming here for hangout. It's good for coffee and it's good for evening time also. If you want to hang out, then you can come here anytime. Now, before you head to this beautiful place, you should be knowing for few important things that I am going to sharing with you now. The most important things is remember about the restaurant is it has a particular capacity, which means it's not a normal walk-in restaurant. Before you come to this restaurant, you always remember to pre-book your tickets. You can book your tickets from Book My Show, gone through the official website from the Bisho Bangla. There are so many menus from like Miyamor and Sugar and Spice. The hanging restaurant is 25 meters above the ground. From the bottom to the top, its height is 55 meters. Thing to remember is this place has got specific timing like at which you can visit here. So if you just want to talk or like walking on the round gallery, then you can get 4 or 5 minutes maybe, and if you want to take some food there, then you will get over there for 45 minutes. Or if you want to take a lunch over here, or if you want to take dinner over here, then the timing is for the lunch is 12 to 3 and the dinner time is starting from 7 p.m. And another things to remember is that washroom is not here on the hanging restaurant itself because of the weight issue. The washroom, the kitchen and everything else is there at the ground floor. So here you just have the restaurant and the gallery. So I'm done talking a 360-degree story of this entire place. So now let's head to the lunch because I'm so tired, and here I'm coming with my mom and we will have lunch right now, and let's see what we will order. I will share with all of you guys. Before that, here are some amazing things to share with all of you guys. Hope so many Bengali pupils know this legend artist. This hanging restaurant inside the gallery is filled with painting and motifs of eminent Bengali personalities. Really, it's a very good place and which gives a 360-degree view and a good food to enjoy together. So when you come down to Kolkata, please visit this place. It's really worth it. Well, I just can't have enough of this restaurant beautiful view. If you too want to come here and enjoy this gorgeous view from the first branch restaurant of the Kolkata, then don't forget to come to here Bisho Bangla Gate here in this new town. Here are so many legend and famous Bengali and all Indian peoples. We are tribute to them. And one good point to be noted that guys, here in this pandemic situation I'm coming because in this situation here is not that much crowd, so it's good time for coming. And whenever you want to come here you will get a seat, because if you want to come other times, otherwise you can't get any kind of seat here because there are so many crowd. So if you want to wish to come here right now, then you can come. And better time to come here for lunch, because lunch there are so many few peoples are coming and all place is like empty. You can see like today I visit here and the place is totally empty. There are few peoples, so I'm having a good time here, so that's why I'm sharing with you. See the view, there are so many amazing painting with the view. I like this place. That's a very cozy and nostalgic atmosphere here, and the view is amazing. I can't explain. When you coming here you can enjoy a lot. So guys, here we ordered the food, and we ordered today, it's a mutton handi tawa biryani, and they have like more than 4 pieces mutton. I think one biryani is enough for one people. There are some green salad. Guys, this one is the end of the video. I hope you like this video guys. Till then, take care, share my video with all of your friends. Till then, so see you in next video. Thank you. Love from Kolkata. Stay blessed. Thanks for watching this video.